What is up, YouTube? Today I have a cool a video to show you. We're gonna do so I found out that when I was driving to pick up my friend, I started hearing like this boost. Like, I don't know what it was. Like, I thought it was a boost leak or something. I don't know. It sounded really cool though, really cool. But I opened up the hood. You see, I opened it up. I was looking around. I was thinking maybe it was like my cold air intake or something, like something different. Like, I haven't done anything to the car in a long time. So I was like, what's making that noise? Like, it sounds pretty cool. So I check. I'm looking around, and I found. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is loose. You see? That part is loose, and like ever since that got loose, I've been getting like a lot of like head turns, like crazy like blow off valve type of stuff. So my cousin's gonna rev it right now, and we'll see how it sounds like. But it sounds pretty cool if you ask me. Good. One more time. Obviously, that sounds pretty cool if you ask me. So yeah, so it's because of this right here. I'm most likely gonna put it back in. Obviously, I don't want the sucking it up like a rock or something in there. So I'll probably gonna put it back in. But it does sound pretty cool if you ask me. But yeah, here I'll probably show you like a like me driving by and see how it sounds. But yeah. Alright, so this is the inside of the car. You guys heard it from the outside. Now we'll just hear it from the inside. I'm gonna start it from first gear, second gear, third gear, so to see how it sounds like on the inside. So we'll go start right now. It's first gear, second gear, third gear. Hopefully you guys can hear it in the video. Good on the outside, so hopefully it sounds good in the video at least. Okay, so if you want your car to sound like, or any newer car that comes with the turbo factory, mostly they're all the same. What you want to do is find like the factory blow-off valve, which is right there. Connect to find the tube that goes to the intake, and in this case for me is my cold air intake, and just take it off to disconnect the hose right there. And there you go. That's how you do it. But disclosure though, you are gonna lose horsepower because it's not recirculating the air back into your system. So you're gonna lose horsepower, but it does sound pretty good though, obviously, right? So I don't know. That's up to you though. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, and also if you are planning to keep it that way, or like open and stuff like that, then buy like maybe like I was thinking maybe like those the ones that you put on the window. I forgot what they're called, but the
5 minutes later.
screens. Maybe buy like a screen patch or something, and just like maybe like tie it down, put like a screen, so it won't, it's gonna suck air obviously because it's an intake, so it's gonna suck air, so you don't want to just suck like a rock or something in there because it's gonna kill your turbo. But yeah, so yeah, just maybe do that if you're planning on keeping it that way. I'm not gonna keep it this way, but I'm just letting you guys know. Yeah.